In the high-stakes world of global technology, the United States' decision to tighten restrictions on China's semiconductor industry wasn't just a regulatory move, it was a declaration of dominance. By cutting access to advanced chip technology, Washington aimed to slow China's technological advancements, citing security concerns that these semiconductors could enhance military capabilities and strengthen cyber networks. But instead of halting progress, these restrictions sparked a worldwide race for chip supremacy, reshaping supply chains and intensifying competition in ways few had anticipated. Semiconductors power everything from smartphones to artificial intelligence, and by restricting China's access to sophisticated chip designs, the US sought to control the pace of its innovation. Yet the move had an unexpected consequence. It drove China to accelerate efforts towards self-sufficiency. Determined to reduce reliance on foreign suppliers, China funneled massive resources into domestic production, turning what was once an Achilles' heel into a launchpad for rapid advancements. In 2021, China's semiconductor imports stood at a staggering $432 billion, highlighting its dependence on external markets. By 2023, that figure had plummeted to approximately $230 billion, a drop of nearly $200 billion. But this wasn't just about trade declining. It signaled a strategic shift as China aggressively pushed forward with state-backed initiatives to build its own semiconductor ecosystem. With extensive funding directed at research and chip fabrication, the country's leading manufacturers, including Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation, ramped up production and reduced their reliance on Western technology. Reports indicate a substantial rise in China's capacity to produce advanced chips, reinforcing its commitment to technological independence. The implications stretch far beyond local markets. Industries that traditionally depended on American and European chipmakers are now reassessing their supply chains. The question looms: is this transformation a game changer that will redefine global competition? Or is the world heading toward a fragmented landscape where nations operate within isolated ecosystems? Many had speculated that US sanctions would cripple China's ability to innovate, but what happened next proved otherwise. Huawei, once believed to be on the decline after losing access to critical technology, made a stunning comeback in 2023 with the Mate 60 Pro. This device, powered by a domestically developed 7nm processor, shocked industry observers. Analysts who once dismissed China's ambitions as overly optimistic had to rethink their stance. Huawei's ability to build next-generation networking equipment entirely from local components further demonstrated that the country was not merely adapting to restrictions, but using them as fuel to drive self-reliance. Rather than being a roadblock, trade barriers have acted as a catalyst, compelling Chinese firms to forge alternative technological paths. Huawei's 5G infrastructure, now manufactured without foreign chips, plays a pivotal role in national projects, showcasing how China has turned limitations into strategic advantages. Chinese consumers are reaping the benefits of increasingly affordable 5G devices, while international markets face rising competition from a growing number of homegrown semiconductor firms. Sectors once dominated by American and European giants are now witnessing new challengers. A late 2023 report highlighted how domestic chip production has ignited progress in artificial intelligence, robotics, and autonomous transportation. The long-standing belief that cutting-edge innovation was exclusive to Western technology firms is now being tested. Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation has made remarkable progress in developing smaller, more efficient chips, positioning China as a major force in the field. Meanwhile, in the US, the semiconductor industry is grappling with the ripple effects. Intel's third-quarter financial report for 2023 revealed a sharp revenue decline, with sales to China dropping by 27% compared to the previous year. Texas Instruments, a leading supplier of analog semiconductors, reported a revenue shortfall of $2.3 billion due to reduced demand from Chinese buyers. The economic impact extends far beyond individual company. Firms that once relied heavily on China for a significant share of their revenue are now feeling the strain. For years, major US semiconductor firms derived up to 30% of their earnings from the Chinese market. As demand shrinks, concerns grow over whether these trade policies are having unintended consequences. While the intent was to curb China's technological rise, the reality has been a surge in domestic production. In 2020, China accounted for approximately 15% of global semiconductor manufacturing. By 2023, that share had nearly doubled to 30%, a shift driven by massive state investments and partnerships with other nations. Over 50 new semiconductor fabrication plants have emerged in China within just 2 years, altering the competitive landscape for industry leaders like Taiwan's Semiconductor Manufacturing Company and South Korea's Samsung. The influx of domestically produced chips is already influencing global pricing, making advanced technology more affordable while pushing established players to rethink their strategies. Even South Korea, long a semiconductor powerhouse, is feeling the impact. Samsung and SK Hynix, historically relying on exports to China, now face mounting obstacles. As China closes the technological gap, it is challenging these companies in key areas. Samsung's Semiconductor division reported a 12% revenue drop in the third quarter of 2023, while SK Hynix faced its largest profit decline since 2017. These shifts have forced companies to explore new strategies to maintain their competitive edge. China's influence is expanding beyond semiconductor manufacturing. Locally developed processors now power critical infrastructure, including cloud computing, telecommunications networks, and artificial intelligence platforms. By 2023, more than 60% of China's cloud computing industry was running on homegrown technology, reducing dependence on foreign providers and enhancing national security. This shift has also lowered costs for businesses and consumers, making advanced technology more accessible within domestic markets. Meanwhile, global supply chains are adjusting to the reduced availability of Chinese-manufactured components. Some international firms are facing shortages and price fluctuations due to the decreased volume of Chinese imports. However, China's top semiconductor manufacturers are pushing forward with cutting-edge developments. Semiconductor Manufacturing International Corporation's breakthroughs in 7nm chip production and Yangtze Memory Technology's advancements in NAND flash memory have set new performance benchmarks. These developments demonstrate that China is not merely catching up, but actively reshaping industry standards. This rapid rise is putting pressure on traditional giants such as Intel and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, forcing a reassessment of long-standing market dynamics. U.S. sanctions, originally aimed at limiting China's reach, have instead fueled an era of intense innovation. In response, the U.S. has doubled down on countermeasures, ramping up domestic semiconductor production, forging stronger alliances, and increasing private sector investments. But whether these moves will be enough to maintain a competitive edge remains uncertain. China, in contrast, has poured unprecedented resources into research and development. In 2023 alone, government spending on semiconductor innovation surpassed $20 billion, driving a survival mentality that has accelerated breakthroughs. With Chinese firms accounting for nearly 40% of global chip demand, the country holds significant leverage over international suppliers. Companies must now decide whether to comply with U.S. regulations at the risk of financial setbacks or find ways to maintain ties with the world's largest semiconductor consumer. The rapid growth of China's semiconductor industry is reshaping global trade and geopolitical strategies. By reducing dependence on external suppliers, the country has strengthened its negotiating power in international markets. Some analysts see this shift as a turning point, fundamentally altering economic policies and trade relationships. However, challenges remain. Technological bottlenecks, competitive pressures, and regulatory shifts could still create roadblocks. The ongoing battle over semiconductors highlights the complexities of using technology as a geopolitical tool. While initial efforts sought to restrain China's progress, they have instead fueled an era of intensified competition. As industries adjust to these changing dynamics, the critical question is whether global collaboration can emerge from this divide, or if rivalries will continue to escalate, shaping the future of innovation and commerce in ways that are still unfolding.